Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use Spotlight Follow on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So Spotlight Follow mode is a feature that prioritizes registered subjects before anything else. So pretty much what it's going to do is just keep track on the subject that you're focusing on really closely. And to enable it, all you need to do is select the video shooting mode and click on this little icon on the left. And under Spotlight Follow, you need to click Add Subject. And what you can do is add a person on it, or just pretty much anything else. So it could be just about anything. So let me just add a thing to Spotlight Follow right here. So there we go. Now what you can do is hit Start, and the camera is going to focus the face that is inside the frame. So once you're starting the recording, the face should be inside this frame right here. It's going to get detected, and once you start recording, it's going to just keep track of it. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you. And make sure to like and subscribe